We are in Aruba, and if you watched last week, you'll know that we made the most of Tony's birthday with friends, fun, and general silliness. This week starts a little more serious, trying to solve an ongoing problem on board. Do we finally fix it? This is before we hire a car and hit land to explore the best of Aruba's wild side.
I know I look like I'm suffering, and I am.
But first, we're sitting out the weather that we raced against at the end of the last video.
Today it's kind of warm. I'm a little bit sweaty, but I've been doing a job. This job, I'm going to run this descaling fluid through the engine. This is my setup. I've got bilge pump that's spare on the boat. I found it, cleaned it up, and wired it up. And I've got the inlet and outlet going straight to this bucket. Currently got fresh water in there because we need to freshwater flush. And this is what it looks like. I've wired it up to this boost pump that goes on the water maker. It's only a temporary setup, so I've just utilised that power. Alright Brian, when you're ready.
Okay, pump's going on now.
So I've made the solution, and that's it. Running through, it's already clouded up, so it's doing something.
The pump stopped pumping.
Now I need to take the other bilge pump out, the one that's working. Okay, so I'm going to have to clean this out. It's a bit mucky, like the last one. And then we'll plug it in. The newer one getting put in. You can tell how old this one is.
Oh yeah. It's on.
We have run it for 6-ish hours, I think. Hopefully, it would have made a difference. If not, great.
Do we think that would have done the trick? We'll have to take it out for a bit of an engine sea trial and hoon it, see how far we get before it overheats. Hopefully, it won't.
So between this and changing the coolant, it seemed to have done the trick.
No more overheating engines. Woohoo! It is rather windy, but we are anchored with shelter on pretty much all sides, which is really good. Reversals, more wind, more rain, lightning. Yeah, we kind of do it all. So it's empty here at the moment, but I expect it's going to get busier. Yeah, this is like the only spot on the island really that we've identified that gives us that 360.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
We have hired a car because it is our wedding anniversary. So we're going to go exploring inland a bit. It's not a big island, it's only about how many miles was it? 16?
I don't know. Yeah, it's
Could have
quite
completely
small.
made that up. And a large proportion of it is a national park, which is super exciting. So we are going to go to the national park. I have a bucket list, by the way.
I see. I'm driving, so you should have told me this beforehand.
understand.
Well, if we want to go see stuff.
Oh no, it's when we're there. In the national park.
Right.
Don't panic. Bucket list of things to try and tick off there, which we'll go through. But yeah, it's nice. It's a good car. Looks like it should be more reliable than the one we had in Curacao. It has good aircon. Life is going to be sweet.
Yep. Luxury today.
Spoiling ourselves. Pit stop. The day was almost ruined because Tony decided he wanted to go to
The Chandlery.
the Chandlery. But he's decided he can do that tomorrow. We've been waved through by a very little jolly security guy, wasn't he? Hello, amigo! And we're off. And some of this is driving, some of this is walking. Oh.
No! He's saying no.
We have been going the wrong way very quickly. This might be the 4x4 track, and if you're not blatantly a 4x4, seems we've got to go this way. Oh, gutted.
It's one of the tracks that we can't go down.
Yes. You missed a bit. Turn around. Can't take him anywhere. Stone for the list. The cosmos has provided. Is it like a giant bit of quartz, isn't it?
Probably.
I know I look like I'm suffering, and I am, but I also remember that there's gold here, and we could do with some booty. So that was in my mind, it wasn't on the suffering. It is a little bit darn hot, whew, but it's beautiful. Oh, there's a wall.
Cribs.
My crib. Check out my crib. Here we have the galley, the kitchen for landlubbers. Tony makes a nice cuppa each morning. Our ensuite bedroom. This is where we sleep at night. Don't get any better than these mattresses.
And this is our toilet. Plenty of waste down there at the moment.
Oh yes. Who's been using our loo? Oh, I've lost him. This happens on hikes because he runs ahead of me. Antonio!
Yes.
Where did that voice came from? A cactus. Where art thou? This way?
Yes.
Where the hell are you? I'm being talked to by... Am I Moses? There he is. Oh, I'm not chosen. That's always a shame. Fancy meeting you here. You can see how the sand dunes are held together by just all the roots. It's really cool to see. It's like veins.
My educated, super intelligent guess would think that these rocks are jagged because of the sea that comes and lands on it, and it just gets eroded over time. That's what I'm thinking. What are you thinking, Bryony?
Hashtag science. Geology. No, turn around. I'm not, it wasn't ready. It wasn't ready.
Come on.
You have to turn around.
I'm just looking at the camera, it's fine.
Hello.
We got a tiny bit lost heading back to the car. I thought one of us might be on death's door if we couldn't find the car within the next 10 minutes. Not naming any names. We have just made it to Fontein Cave. Rani's about to die.
I don't want anyone to see the colour I've got.
She's rather warm.
I don't want to go in there until other people have left.
Your colours.
What if they
less.
mistake me for a lobster and try to eat me? I have been having like the aircon full blast on my face to try and rectify this. One of the people going, oh, I'm so red. The problems here is it's hot, and you'd think with the amount of like sand and cacti and things that are here that it would be a dry heat, but it's really actually not. It is still really humid, and it just makes it feel even hotter than it probably is. That's kind of brutal. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. Tony's turned the aircon off in the car, so I think that's a sign of intent.
Yes.
Put the hat on and hope nobody looks at my complexion.
Mysterious, mythical, and full of bats. Welcome to Aruba's Fontein Cave. Deep within Aruba National Park, this limestone wonder spans nearly 312 feet of ancient history. The walls of algae transition from yellow to green in the humidity, a natural gradient framing a fantastic gallery of Amerindian cave art. Some say these 4,000-year-old drawings were born of nomadic rituals or psychedelic visions. Others believe that Arawak Indians used these chambers for worship, hiding, or even sacrifice.
We walked all the way in, looking, got further and further back to where there's a lot of bats back there. And we did look up. And yeah, much closer towards the entrance, there's these beautiful, amazing cave paintings and the handprints. Oh, yeah, and some of them are really well preserved and so intricate. Yeah, really special. It's a cool cave. Next cave, Quadirikiri cave. It would be lovely if not for the whatever mechanics and tools being used outside.
Looking at that.
Does it keep going?
What's been your treasure on this map today? Other than me, obviously.
I don't know, it's all been pretty cool.
It has been, hasn't it? It's a good place.
Hmm.
Worth the money.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time here.
Yeah, you're good. Day has been ruined, Tony. I mean, it's not a chandlery, but this is not lights up your lifing me either. It's an electronics shop. Tomorrow's a battery day, isn't it?
Hopefully, yes. Yeah. I just need to get some terminals. I think this will be a cheaper shop than Budget Marine.
Yeah.
If I can get it here. Today is a
gonna
Saturday. No, it's a Saturday, Bryony. And that Saturday is a good Saturday because it's the weekend that finally puts an end to living off of rationed electricity. We are finally upgrading to lithium.
And then there's general boat life, living, and adventures that surround the hard work that keeps us afloat.